First off, let's explore the magic of social skills enhancement. Picture this: a young boy named Tim, diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. He often struggles with social cues, making it difficult for him to interact with peers. Through a tailored social skills curriculum, Tim learns to understand facial expressions, body language, and even the tones of voice. This training doesn't just help Tim fit in, it empowers him to express himself and connect with those around him in a meaningful way. Next, engagement in structured group activities. Consider Mary, a girl with Down syndrome. Mary loves art but often feels isolated due to her communication difficulties. When enrolled in an art therapy group, she finds a safe space to share her passion with others. The structured, inclusive environment allows her to communicate through her artwork, bridging the gap between her and her peers. On to our third strategy: recognition with helping hand certificates. Alex, a boy with ADHD, often felt overlooked and misunderstood. However, when his school started acknowledging his efforts to help others with these certificates, something changed. Alex began to see himself as a valuable, contributing member of his community, boosting his self-esteem and strengthening his social bonds. Our fourth strategy is the promotion of courtesy via magic words. Sarah, a girl with a speech and language disorder, struggled with verbal communication. Teaching her magic words like please, thank you, and sorry in a fun and engaging way not only enhanced her verbal skills but also made her interactions more positive and respectful, fostering stronger relationships. Finally, the implementation of visual supports. Imagine Josh, a boy with a learning disability. He often found verbal instructions confusing, leading to misunderstandings. However, when visual aids were introduced, like pictorial schedules or symbol cards, Josh was able to understand and respond much better, facilitating smoother social interactions. In summary, cultivating social connections for children with special needs is a multifaceted task. It involves enhancing their social skills, engaging them in structured group activities, recognizing their contributions, encouraging courtesy, and providing visual supports. Each strategy has its own unique benefits, but together they create an environment where these children can thrive socially. Remember, every child has the potential to connect, communicate, and contribute. It's about providing them with the right tools and opportunities to do so.